The Forex 3-session system. One of the interesting features of the foreign exchange market is that it is open 24 hours a day. Around the clock, trading allows investors from across the globe to trade during normal business hours, after work, or even in the middle of the night. However, not all times of the day are created equal when it comes to trading Forex. Although there is always a market for this most liquid of asset classes called Forex, there are times when price action is consistently volatile and periods when it is muted. If you're new to our channel, then subscribe and stay connected with us by like, comment, and share this video. In this video, we will cover 3 major trading sessions, explore what kind of market activity can be expected over the different periods, and show how this knowledge can be adapted into a trading plan. Asian Forex Session, Tokyo. When liquidity is restored to the Forex market at the start of the week, the Asian markets are naturally the first to see action. Unofficially, activity from this part of the world is represented by the Tokyo capital markets and spans from midnight to 6 a.m. Greenwich Mean Time (GMT). There are many other notable countries that are present during this period, however, including China, Australia, New Zealand, and Russia. Considering how scattered these markets are, it makes sense that the beginning and end of the Asian session are stretched beyond the standard Tokyo hours. Asian hours are often considered to run between 11 p.m. and 8 a.m. GMT, accounting for the activity within these different markets. European Forex Session, London. The European session takes over in keeping the currency market active just before the Asian trading hours come to a close. This FX time zone is very dense and includes a number of major financial markets. London has taken the honors in defining the parameters for the European session to date. This trading period is also expanded due to other capital markets' presence before the official open in the UK, while the end of the session is pushed back as volatility holds until after the close. Therefore, European hours typically run from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. GMT. North American Forex Session, New York. The Asian markets have already been closed for a number of hours by the time the North American session comes online, but the day is only halfway through for European traders. The Western session is dominated by activity in the U.S., with contributions from Canada, Mexico, and countries in South America. As such, it comes as little surprise that activity in New York City marks the high volatility and participation for the session. When trading currencies, a market participant must first determine whether high or low volatility will work best with their trading style. Trading during the session overlaps or typical economic release times may be the preferable option if more substantial price action is desired. The next step would be to decide what times are best to trade, accounting for a volatility bias. A trader will then need to determine what time frames are most active for their preferred trading pair. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.